13 edition. Sinubaybayan sa mga teleseryeng Sana Maulit Muli, Tayong Dalawa at Budoy. Nagpakilig din sa mga pelikulang Paano na Kaya at Catch Me, I'm in Love. Ngayon, matutunghayan naman sa 24/7 in Love. Kaibigan, Gerald Anderson. Welcome to Manila. Okay, Gerald, you know, some people say you are the sexiest young man in the film. No comment.
Wow.
Totoo yan.
Thank you. I wish it was true, pero yeah, thank you.
When you think about it, I mean, may mga nagsasabi ba sa iyo, mga fans, mga kaibigan?
Yung mga kaibigan ko lang, kasi syempre, lagi ko sila nililibre.
Okay, ganito na lamang. What is the best thing about being single?
I get to learn more about myself.
Talaga, you know, I had a conversation with Casey Concepcion. Sabi ni Casey, being single daw allowed her to do more things, to be more creative. Alam mo yung freedom while being single.
Opo. Tulad na gano'n, you get to learn more about yourself pag iba't ibang yung ginagawa mo, marami kang ginagawa.
Okay. Ikaw, halimbawa, are you single?
Yes.
Okay, you are. Siguro lamang ako. Baka single tayo ng single yung pala eh. Merong umiiyak na
Single po ako.
nagmamasid. No, but like, for example, ikaw, ano yung mga na-discover mo? Ano yung mga nagawa mo while you're not committed to a person, to a relationship?
Oras eh. Kasi syempre yung pag-in-love kasi isang tao, kasi
No,
kasama lagi. And then when you have time for yourself, and you think back, ang dami mong ginagawa na hindi mo ginagawa dati.
Katulad, I know you're able to play basketball, you're able to spend more time with friends.
But yung alone time, yung which is just sitting there in your sala, nag-iisip ka lang, or walking in front of your house.
Alam mo, that's
Thinking
very
back on
important.
things.
That's
Oo
very
naman po. Yung
important.
mga simpleng bagay yung importante sa akin. Small things.
Tama. And counting your blessings, di ba?
Counting your blessings, looking at your house, looking at what you have, ano yung binigay sa'yo ni Papa God.
That's true. Gerald, ikaw, balito. I mean, are you vain?
No, hindi pa ako vain eh.
You're not?
Minsan nga napapagalitan ako kasi, I could go out in a t-shirt lang or,
Okay. But that's confident.
Sobra po. But, sa trabaho natin, Tito Boy, minsan kailangan.
Ito, patanong lang ito. Yung abs kasi ngayon ng mga kalalakihan ay ang batayan ng, di ba, kakisigang kagwapuhan. And you're famous for your abs. Ikaw, how important is that? How do you maintain that? Diet, exercise?
Diet, Tito Boy. Pero sa akin is, it's being fit. Yun yung importante.
But how do you do that?
Fit. Basketball, workout, jogging, nag-rock climbing na ako, taekwondo for my new show. Ang training na. So, just being physically fit ang importante.
Lalo na ngayon.
Lalabas naman yan.